Hey guys, today we're going to be looking at the top 10 animations of the week and explaining what makes them so great. Let's get started. So this app is a cool pizza customization experience, and it features a bunch of delightful animations to add the condiments. The packaging animation at the end is really cool as well. Next up, we have a website that has a really cool navigation throughout different pages of the website with a unique layout based on replacing typical illustrations with a very large font. This is super creative and a great idea. Just a quick note, if you guys are enjoying this video so far, please go ahead and subscribe because we've got a lot of new content coming out soon. So this landing page uses staggered effects, which really helps the animations feel more fluid. Next up, we have this very cool visual exercise, which looks super clean and futuristic. It's really difficult to get pictures like this looking super clean like the vegetables are here, so overall it's a really well executed app. Now we have this pretty interesting card swiping interaction with an interesting touch brought along with the snow particles, which helps the experience feel more immersive and engaging. So what we really like about this one is the transitions. So there's actually a wave effect, which is something that we don't often see in these kind of websites. There it is. We're going to look at that one more time. Now we have a cool gift opening animation, which is very interesting and rewarding with the confetti and particles at the end. So what's super cool about this next animation is the way the animation actually appears. It's pretty subtle. It uses a wave effect, which makes the new picture come in smoothly, which is super unique. It's overall a very clean and immersive experience. So this website has very cool transitions between the two views. There's a lot of focus in tiny details, and each of those elements of the graphs that you see are animated separately, so it really represents a huge amount of work. And the winner for this week is a super interesting animation showing an alarm and how you can select the time, with delightful animations applied to the illustration and how it reacts to the layout change. Alright guys, so that's it for this week. If you enjoyed this video, please comment, like, and share, and we'll see you next week for your inspiration of the week.